Hello, today I will guide you on how to use the average if function in Excel, which calculates the average of cells that meet a specific criterion. The average if function allows you to calculate the mean of a range based on a specific condition. For example, here we have a student mark sheet. Let's say we want to find the average test score for Class A and Class B. To do this, we will use the average if function and set a criteria based on the class. Click on the cell where you want the result and type =average if. First, select the range that contains the criteria, in this case the class names in column C, type a comma, then select the cell that contains the class you want to calculate. Type another comma and now select the range of scores in column B. You can press F4 after selecting ranges to lock them as absolute references. This makes it easier to copy the formula for the next row. Press Enter and Excel will return the average score for that class. Now copy and paste the formula into the next cell. Excel will automatically update the criteria reference and return the average for Class B. And that's how you use the average if function to calculate conditional averages in Excel. It's a simple yet powerful function that can save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.